Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my Mercedes ML300 and I've got a problem with the reversing camera. Now I've had this problem for a while. I'll just show you what happens. When I put it into reverse, you can see that the reversing camera is black. Now, searched around, had a look on some forums, and I realized that you can tap the back of the tailgate and the problem goes away. I'll just show you this. Come around to the back of the car, tap the back of the car, and then we'll come back, hop in. So we've given the boot a few taps above where the camera is, jump back in the car, pop it back in reverse, and you can, as you can see, the problem's gone away and you can see the image there coming out the back of the camera. So clearly there's some wiring in the back door around that reverse camera that's just a bit loose, a bit old, I don't know what, because you know, a few taps, problem goes away, but then it comes back in a few months time. You've got to go give that taps. So what I'm going to do is we're going to delve a little bit further. We're going to pull off the back covers to the rear door and see what's going on in there with that wiring. Alright, so as you can see, I've pulled the covers off the back door there. They're down here. It was actually much easier than I thought it was going to be. I started with the bottom one. That's this one here that comes off of this section around the latch. And then I took this one off. Really easy. You just pop it out. As you can see, I didn't break any of the yellow plastic lugs. Just start with the screwdriver and pop it all off. But what I really want to look at is the camera. So here's the reverse camera here. And you can see, following the trace around here, we've got a couple of wires here with this joiner connection here. So what I think they might do is I'll just undo this a couple of times, push it in and out, and then push it together firmly, and hopefully that does the trick, and it's a secure connection, and that is what has been affected by the 3 taps. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so to undo it, just press this little button here. You can see that slides out like that. Here we go. Alright, and give it a bit of a blowout and push it back in firmly. Alright, then I'll put the covers back on and hopefully it'll all be good and won't require to have those taps to keep the camera working in the future. So there you go folks, I believe that little connector in the back tailgate is the problem with the intermittent fault with the reversing camera on these Mercedes ML wagons. As you can see, I just disconnected it, cleaned it out and firmly connected it again. If the problem occurs again, I'll probably cut the connector out completely and directly solder the wires to bypass the connector. However, for now, I will see how this repair goes. If you found this video helpful, do feel free to like it, and if you have any suggestions, do feel free to leave a comment below.